Hello, welcome to Rising Technologies. This is Harish. You are watching part 16 of Code Java video tutorial. In this session, we are going to learn about command line arguments. Sometimes we need to pass information to a program while executing it, and this is accomplished by passing arguments to the main method from command prompt. Command line argument is actually the information that directly follows the program's name while executing that program from command prompt. Now look at this sample class. I have a class command line demo that contains a main method, and in order to execute this program from my DOS command prompt, I need to type a command something like this. I need to say Java and name of my class, that is command line demo, and this is how we can invoke a Java program from command line. So while executing this program from command line, I can supply some information to this program. So this is the argument 1, this is argument 2, and this is the third argument that I want to supply to this main method. So while executing this program, all this information will be sent as a parameter to this main method, and this data will be stored in this args array. We can clearly see arguments are stored in this args array as separate strings. So this is the first argument that is stored in the 0th position of this args array. This is the second argument, and this is the third argument. And we know that we can simply access the data from this args array on the basis of these indexes. Now if I write a simple program within this main that contains a for loop, this for loop starts its execution from 0 and it runs up to the length of this args array, and all I am going to print the value from args array using this I variable. So first time when program enters in this for loop, the value of I will be 0. So this sysout statement is going to print the data from args of 0, and that will print this information. Now if I execute this program something like this from command prompt and I supply these arguments and press enter, this program will print this information on command prompt. Let's have a practical look at this. I have already created this command line demo class that contains this main method, and I want to invoke this program from command prompt and I want to pass some information to this main method. Now within this main method, I want to print all this data from this args array using a for loop. So I'm going to say for integer I equals 0. This I is less than whatever the length of this args array, and I plus plus. Then I need to print the information from this args array's I location. Now my program is done. Let's save this, compile this program by typing Ctrl+1. Look at this program is successfully compiled. Now I want to execute this program from command prompt. So just go to run menu, just type cmd, and look at this, where I have stored this program at Java programs directory, and this directory is stored within the root directory of my C drive. So I need to navigate to that directory. So cd \, then cd Java programs, and this directory contains my command line demo program. In order to execute this program, first of all I need to specify the path of Java installation directory. So just go to my computer, C drive, program files, Java, JDK 1.8 and bin directory. Just copy this path and specify that path over here. You can specify this path in path environment variable. Okay, so now I want to execute this program from command prompt. So how to do that? Just type Java, name of my class is command line demo, and I need to pass few pieces of information. So all this information will be sent as an argument into this args array, and this for loop is going to print each and every element of this args. Now look at this. The information I have supplied by executing this program from command prompt is receivable within this args array. So this is how you can supply some information to the main program, and this information is called as command line argument. In our next session, we are going to see a simple practical example where we can make use of command line argument. Thanks for watching. For more details, visit our official site, that's risingtechnologies.in. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel.